Hello kids, today we will draw Santa Claus. So let's start. First draw fluffy cloud. Make some bumps, just draw some curve, like this. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. It will be the cap of Santa Claus. Now draw a big curved line and draw it like a W. Well done, now draw circle-like shape. Just follow me, and look, we draw the nose of Santa Claus. Now let's draw Santa Claus mustache. Draw a point, then make curve, and connect it with nose. Good job, now draw the other side of mustache. Just do the same thing, and it's done. Well done, now draw the beard of Santa Claus. Make some curves, and draw it in a circle. We need to draw many curved lines to draw Santa Claus. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now let's draw the Santa Claus cap. Draw a big curved line, like this. Then draw a small curved line on the other side. Good job, draw another line, like this. Well done, now draw a cute star at the tip of cap. You know what? A star have 5 corners. Just draw a cute twinkle star, and it's done. Good job, now let's draw Santa Claus face. Make 2 curved lines, like this. Then draw the eyebrows. Draw the eyebrows small and thick. Look, we draw a happy face. Now draw a circle below the mustache. Draw a cute mouth, and draw its tongue. Well done, we complete our drawing. So let's color it. First use skin color or cream color. Color carefully on face of Santa Claus. Color very carefully, and don't color on the eyes. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, color on the nose. Make sure not to color on outside. Well done, now use red color on the cap. Color the outline first, and don't color the lines. Color very slowly, and fill red color. Right now we are coloring Santa Claus cap, so we need to use red color. But you can also use different color. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now use yellow color on the star. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Well done, look how cute it's looking. Now use brown color inside Santa Claus' mouth. Don't forget to color the tongue. Use baby pink color and don't color outside. Good job. Lastly, use white color on the rest part of the drawing. First, color on the cap. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. It's very easy to draw, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now color on the beard also. Color the outline, and don't color on the mouth. If you just leave it like this, and don't color the white part, then the drawing will complete very easily. Lastly, I'm coloring on the mustache. Color very slowly, and don't make any mistake. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now use white color to make the drawing more cute. Draw a big curve like this and make it thicker. Good job. Now draw some small curve like this. Also draw a curved line at the end of cap. Look how shiny it's looking. Lastly, draw some lines on the star. Well done, now we complete our drawing. Look how beautiful it's looking. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my kid cartoon channel.